Good morning guys, may oras pa tayo. Basa pa tayo ng kapalaran ni Ralf Lion. Punto na tayo sa January 25. January 25, 2021. Sa akin lang to guys pero pag Sagittarius kayo, try nyo kung pwede, kung applicable sa inyo to. Guide lang natin guys. Sa inyo, libre ko na to. Binili. Uranus trine Jupiter. Unexpected opportunities for long-distance travel should be open to you now that can allow an education as well as a vacation at the same time. Paano? May COVID-19. This is a powerfully magnetic transit drawing luck and good fortune to you, and your interests now will most probably include metaphysical and new age and scientific subjects. Life experiences now will be like none before at this time. So learn to expect the strange, the unusual, the unexpected, the extraordinary, and above all, extreme emotional experiences. Consider that you can either be a success or a failure now, and your intuitive insights will be very accurate in dealing with others. Use the philosophy of mercy and justice. Oh, pag mag-deal daw tayo ng others guys, use daw yung philosophy ng awa at saka yung katarungan. Mercy and justice. And you won't go wrong. Ang galing. New meanings can be derived from life. So, pag magdesisyon ka guys, ipairal mo yung awa at saka yung katarungan. Hindi ka raw magkakamali. New meanings can be derived from life with its transit and an opportunity for traveling and studying someplace completely new and foreign to you can arrive. This will prove to be a very fortunate and harmonious time, filled with the creativity and social opportunities as well as financial gain and luck. Luck that cannot be explained can come from out of the blue as well now. Ganyan talaga guys, pag si Jupiter, swerte talaga sa atin yan Sa akin Sagittarius. This will prove to be a very fortunate and harmonious time filled with creativity and social opportunities as well as financial gain and luck. Luck that cannot be explained can come from out of the blue as well now. Prophetic insights can prove to be accurate now and interest in parapsychology and astrology can occur. Expect new, interesting, and perhaps weird and unusual prints to enter your life. Word talaga. Nakalagay guys, expect new, interesting, and perhaps weird and unusual prints to enter your life. Benefits will come to you from friends, business, ventures, and insurance matters. Yun yung sa January 25 guys. January 26 tayo. May oras pa ba tayo? Neptune square Mercury. This is time of mental confusion, withdrawal, and fantasizing. It is best to put plans on the back burner for now, as misunderstanding in communication can occur, and intentional divulging of secrets can leave you very vulnerable now, and don't answer stupid questions with a stupid remark. Huwag daw, sa madaling salita, huwag kang pilosopo. The misuse of drugs, alcohol, and medication is indicated as well. But be somewhat skeptical of opportunities that seem too good at this time, as confusion, lies, and deceptions in communication will have to be uncovered. Avoid dishonesty and dishonest people if you can spot them. Avoid daw natin yung mga dishonest. Your nerves can be on edge, so make some time for exercise. Make sure you have all the facts before you engage your mouth to avoid potential embarrassments. This is an unfavorable for close emotional relationship, and you may be feeling somewhat homesick. Misconceptions, misunderstandings, and constant states of confusion have entered your life now, and absent-mindedness characteristics have emerged. This is not the time to drive because your mind won't be on what you are doing. Sa January 26 to guys. Kaya huwag kang absent-minded, Ralph. So be extra careful. I'll help. So be extra careful. Ill health can be because of drugs, alcohol, or any medications, and expect to miss or completely forget appointments. Any psychic input that comes to you now is probably going to be strange to say the least and unwanted. This is unfavorable time for contracts and agreements to be made, and organizations and friends will not render their support to you now. This is not the time to take shortcuts in your work or punish children because, as with anything else, we can have a tendency to go overboard, regretting it later. The truth is easy to hide from you now, and tardiness will be found in the most unbelievable excuses. Lies, cheating, and deceptions can easily take place. Don't get involved in scandals or scandalous situations. Instead, try to sort the facts you have from fictions. Avoid people who hold grudges or people who deceive, as the misrepresentations or facts can easily occur. Road awakenings about people can be devastating to you now, and even issues that surround you now aren't clear, as if you are in a fog. If you don't like someone's opinion, ask someone else's in all matters. So, umiwas tayo sa ano guys, ngayong January 26. Sa 27 tayo, January 27. Saturn, sextile Saturn. You may find this a period of hard work, but the rewards that come with it are worth it. There are always opportunities for growth and maturity when you work with the rest of the human race, and your life can become more structured and stable than before. Painom na muna. Business and professional matters should be running smooth at this time, and relationship will take on a more stable tone. Remember to keep your mind open and your thoughts flexible. Recognition can come for all of that hard work and effort from the past efforts. Tama na muna guys, at hirap na yung aking ilong. So, January 25 to January 27 binasa natin. So, next, basahin natin is January 28. Para hindi makalimutan, guys. Bye everyone. God bless.